All right class, it's time for social studies, so take your social studies textbooks and turn to page 27.
Excuse me, Mrs. Vijayakumar, can I please to go the bathroom?
Sure, Mr. Yeager, but please be quick.
Thanks. I'm going to pull the fire alarm since there's a fire. Ha 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 ha.
Students and staffs, someone pull the fire alarm. Please get out the classroom.
Someone has to pull the fire alarm. Since it wasn't a fire, it was just a false alarm. Somebody did it.
Don't worry, I will check on the security camera and see someone did it. Marcus Hypocrite Yeager, I cannot believe you pulled down the fire alarm at school. You are suspended for 5 weeks. Go home right now.
Marcus Hypocrite Yeager, how dare you got suspended at school pulling the fire alarm at school?
That's it. You are grounded until G9 Uber 6348 and Adam Animate 2K6 sends you to Asian and donates all of your toys to McDonald's. Now get to your bins right now.
Wah 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 wah.